The issues with this truck are some faded paint, not a lot of rust, a number of dings and dents throughout it. We've noticed one here. I should say dings, not really dents. One here in the door. There are a number of pulls from the factory welding that occur typically in a lot of these spot welded type vehicles. You can see the dimples all along here, also along the door. Our main concern also is this right here, this piece on the other side. It's called a cap, and the cap is rusted here, and that's one of the steel components on this aluminum body. We're going to drill out these rivets and replace this cap, and then make sure we get any of the other dents. There's another fairly good dent right there on the door, and freshen up the paint, going back to the original green color. And then we're going to be doing a number of other things to it. Right here, throughout the truck, a lot of the powder-coated parts that were put on from the factory are rusted. And we're going to be putting on new sliders, rocket protection. We'll be replacing the door hinges with a more advanced door hinge that's offered that a lot of Land Rover owners replace them with. We're going to get back in here. I noticed some things underneath in the back here in the frame. There's some rust we're going to deal with. Brake lines and fuel lines are replaced with stainless steel lines. And we may look at possibly a new bull bar by ARB on the front versus this stock one, which is, it's okay, but the ARB is definitely a much better, superior bull bar. We're also going to be looking possibly at new tires. These tires show signs of not having been rotated, and they're pretty shallow here along the grooves, and there's a lot of cupping going on. Overall, it's a nice truck. We're going to do some improvements with the heating system inside. That the heat is subpar, and this vehicle is known for its lack therefore of superior heating system, and we're going to be improving that, we hope, and maybe a few other things that go along, but for the most part it's going to be paint and some body work and some other swapping out of some accessories. So it should be a fun project for us, something different that we have never in the history of this company ever seen before, but we were asked to do it. We're going to do it, and we should do it very well. We'll do a lot of body work, painting, and wet sanding. It will look sharp when we're done.